your man WoahAccord official, and in today's video we're going to Caffeine and Octane. Shoot, actually I'm kind of running a little bit late, so let's hurry up and get in the car. I'll catch y'all there. Damn, it's nothing but Mopars. Yeah, we gonna fill up, man. Boy, I wonder how far the homie is, bro. It's cold as a mug, though. Shoot, that's Mopar community, though. Fill up, man. Jeez. I ain't messing with these guys, yo. Oh yeah, he was with it. Oh boy. See, cashier.
I'm going inside, bro.
The Mopar dude's out today. Why you flexing? Alright, so yeah, we just got some. We got like 21 pumps. Mopar dudes was out. Shit, cold as a mug, man. Just met up with the homie Nelson. Ooh, look, right next to the Camaro or something.
Ain't no fucking way.
This man said, let's go see Camaro. Oh, you think it's Camaro, bro? We'll see, bro. He didn't see the key fob. Key fob say it. What you think, man? What you think?
I like the color. I like blue.
Oh, blue?
Yeah.
It's not the blue one, my guy. Yes, sir.
I mean, I see a big ass crowd down there.
This man got jokes. Okay. Yeah, man. That's us. Pit stop, man. We need some food. Gotta warm up. Let's go. All right, we're going to the next car meet, next spot. Sorry guys, I didn't get much at Caffeine and Octane. Oh, these I hate those things, man. Yeah, this thing is nice. Oh, I need to change my battery. Battery's about to drain. Oh, you popped the hood? Right. Gave me a little ride in the Supra, twin turbo Supra. He's got the speakers, he pretty much did everything. He did speakers himself, and it's actually twin turbo too. Real nice. Oh, he popped his hood. We're about to check out that Mustang over there. Is that super? Let's check out that Mustang real quick.
quiet.
Yeah.
Edelbrock supercharger.
You definitely hear it.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run